Hey guys, we're doing the team draw for the 3 box break. It's 9:14, 30 seconds PM Melbourne time. Random is live. We're going 8 times for participants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That teams going 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. So here we go. Random is complete, and teams are Jared Raptors, Billy Hornets, Thomas with the Magic, Vincent Wizards, DJ Manion, Rockets, Ryan Elworthy Bulls, Billy with the Celtics, Tony Jackson Clippers, Matus Suns, Adam Carter Warriors and Cavs, Albie Pistons, Andrew Hunt Blazers, Ben Sutherland Knicks, Lee Rowbottom Spurs, Tim Pug Thunder, Coulson with the Pelicans, Benji Mack with the Lakers, Johnny Deegan Pacers. Man, he gets Pacers a lot. Hayden with the Wolves, Albie Heat, Ben Maloney Nuggets, Adam Bartley Mavericks, Shane Bradfield Jazz, Javassi Bucks, Nathan Alott Hawks, Matus with the Grizz, Albie Chin with the Kings, Johnny Deegan with the Sixers and the Nuggets. And that is the teams.